In this video, I want to show you how to download and install Path4 software. Path4 software is a very powerful software for analysis. So open your browser and open a new tab. Here, search for Path4 software and hit enter key. So when it opens, this is the download link. Click to open the site. So you can see the interface of the site where you can download the software. So the Path4 is analysis software that provides a wide range of tools and visualization for data exploration and visualization. It is a complex application for analyzing scientific data in form of statistics, which draw graphs and plots with an interface similar to other spreadsheet software. So Path software is a free software that analyzes data. So you can scroll down and read more about it. And more importantly, it is a free software. And here you can see the features of the software. It analyzes variance, automation, clustering, computation, curve fitting, and much more. It can do data transformation and a lot more. Here you can see the compatibility and license. So you can scroll down here and read more about the software called Path4. So our interest is to download. So I want to download for Windows. I'll click on this download button. When I click on it, it will open this interface. Then come to this link. Click on it to start the download. You can see that the download has started. It's a very light software. Yes, the download is done. Let me open the download location now. After downloading it, here is the file. So to install it, you need to extract it. So to do that, right click and click on extract files. Click on OK. So it has been extracted. So double click to open it. Here is the setup or application. So to install it, just double click it. Click on run. So once you click on run, this is the interface of the Path4 software. It is a powerful software for statistical analysis. So to start with, you need to quickly do a little setup, which is enable the row attributes and also enable the column attributes. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use this open source software to analyze your data. Thank you for watching.